Hello everyone. Welcome to Algo X Market. In this video, I'm excited to share detailed information about the seller's dashboard, which is accessible exclusively to sellers. Once you become a seller, you can access the seller's dashboard from the side panel. Let's dive in. This is the seller's dashboard. Here, sellers can manage essential functions like adding products, making withdrawals, editing products, adding articles, and much more. Let's briefly go over the features. 1. Home. View insights about your monthly sales and orders. 2. Media. Manage or delete uploaded media from your account. 3. Articles. Write, edit, or delete articles. 4. Products, the most crucial section. Add new products and edit existing ones. 5. Orders. Check your orders and their status. 6. Payments. View transactions and make withdrawals. 7. Refunds. See the status of refunds requested by customers. 8. Settings. Add store information, preferred payment methods, and create customer support services. 9. Followers. See the users following you. 10. Support. Manage your support tickets. 11. Reports. Access information about placed orders, fees paid, total refunds, etc. 12. Ledger book. View your earnings, withdrawals, and processed refunds. On the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find icons for notifications, user inquiries about products, and marketplace announcements. That's a quick overview of the seller's dashboard and its features. Thanks for watching.